In order to use Google Classroom, you're first going to navigate to classroom.google.com. And the first thing I would recommend is bookmarking this page because you are going to be using this a lot. This is going to be your landing page for all of your Google Classroom classes. So now I have a bookmark right here on my bookmarks bar. When I click that, it will bring me right back to this page. But you can always get here by going to classroom.google.com. So the next thing I need to do is to join my classes. And I can do that in a few different ways. So you can see right here, one of my teachers has already invited me to join a class. And all I have to do is click join. And it will take me right to that classroom. And I can get back to see my classes either by using this little hamburger menu up in the corner and going to classes, or I can use my bookmark that I created. The other way that I can join a class that my teacher has already invited me to is to go to my SEM inbox and look for an email from my teacher that says class invitation. That email will have a join button in it, and I can just click that join button and join my class right from that email. Another way that I can join a class is to use this plus sign up here that says join class when I hover over it, and then entering in the class code that my teacher has given me, either in class or through email or on the portal. Once I type that in, I click join, and my second class shows up. So now when I go to my little hamburger menu, I can see all of my classes appear here. And I can get back to my classes landing page. And now there's a few different things that I can do to see what's going on in my classes. So I can use each individual class page, and you see there's 3 tabs here. The stream tab is going to show me anytime my teacher posts anything, whether it's an announcement like this that just gives me information, or whether it's an assignment or material. I can also look up here at my to-do list, and this is going to show assignments from all of my classes, and they'll be arranged in order of due date. And you can see they're color-coded here for different classes. I can also look at my Google Calendar, which is going to show me work for all of my classes, but just in this week-long calendar view. Right, so I can flip through and I can see when my different assignments are due. And of course, I can go back to my classes page, and on each individual class, if I click on this little name tag icon, I can see the work for this class, I can see what's assigned, and when I turn in work, I can see what my teacher has returned to me with a grade, and I can see what assignments are marked missing.